So clearly here Sebastian got the experience edge over Vinay. And May 2025 payout for Sebastian was 31K. Hey everyone, hope things are starting to make more sense with the previous videos, and I really hope you are feeling motivated by now. But if you are not with everything we have shared so far, this video, the one you're watching now, might be exactly what you need to get moving and finally start. Me and my team couldn't hold back from sharing this with you, because we know there is nothing more motivating than real numbers and real case studies. So with the arguments of two of our clients, Sebastian from France and Vinny from India, we are going to show you their stats and revenue for the previous month, more precisely May 2025. He's been with us since almost the very beginning, nearly 2 years now. Like, he's been there even before we showed up as Orotel. At that time, we weren't public yet. And Vinay, on the other hand, is a young developer with a very big potential. May was his best month ever, and he was honestly very happy with the results. Until May, he was stuck in between 500 and 1,000 in payout. Like, we are really happy for him because this month, May 2025, he was able to hit 5,000 mark. And we really can't wait to see where he goes next. So now let's jump into their stats and do a quick comparison between both. A month, and he's been focused only on 2 apps. I can't say which apps he's been working on, but yeah, he's with that. He has made a total of $5,400. And so now let's jump into Sebastian's results, which are amazing, really, really great results he made on May. As we said before, he's one of our best devs. What he did can be reached with hard work and dedication. He's not alone, as we have got other devs that are doing similar results. And I can say that anyone is capable of replicating what Sebastian did on May. You just have to put in the work that it needs. So let's see what we got here. Sebastian actually worked on 6 different apps during May. Across was with 1 app. It can be done, but really, really tricky in some months. His best work was done. He's really good at testing and finding where the access is on which apps. So that's why he was able to reach 1.5 million, generating more than 30,000 US dollars, which is great. And we are really happy for him. And as I said before, like for the curious people, there is some months where Sebastian and some other devs were able to make double what Sebastian did on this month. So yeah, we weren't able to agree with all our devs in order to share their results. But yeah, Vinay and Sebastian were really helpful. We thank them from this podium, and we really wish their efforts help you get things moving fast. So yeah, that's it for Sebastian. You can see this by yourself and compare it with what Vinay did. So now let's do a quick case study to understand how come Sebastian made almost 6 times more than what Vinay made on the last month. So as we said before, Sebastian joined in October 2023 and Vinay joined in December 2024, but only started working in January 2025. So clearly here Sebastian got the experience edge over Vinay. And May 2025 payout for Sebastian was 31K, and the May 2025 payout for Vinay was 5K. Best payout for Sebastian was close to 90K a few months ago. And the best payout for Vinay was this one of May 2025, which is 5K. Sebastian still got the advantage by having assistance. He eliminated a lot of tasks. Sebastian is close to $500,000 in payouts since he joined a year and a half ago. Vinay is close to 10K in just his first 5 months, but after the 5K payout, we expect him to do a lot more in the next month, since most of our clients behave in the same way. When they reach a certain amount, they hate going down and do their best to keep on the same pace or do even more in the next months. So that's it for now. At the end, I would say don't compare yourself to anyone. Use this to see what's possible. Even